Good morning, teacher and students. I'm Luna. I'm so honored to stand here today. Now let's get the ball rolling. The ball rolling is to do something and to make something.
Have you chosen a topic for our science project?
Yes, do you have any ideas?
How about making a volcano experiment?
That sounds fun. Let's get the ball rolling today.
Great, I'll prepare the materials.
And I will make the presentation slides.
Perfect, our project will be amazing.
Yes, let's do all this.
Before we end, can everyone please repeat after me? Get the ball rolling. Okay, thank you.